like, subscribe, and get notified.
Jawaharlal Bal Manch in association with Kottalam Goa Pradesh Congress Committee celebrated Goa Revolution Day at Sankoal by distributing plants. Congress leader Olencio Simoes stated that revolution has to be started in Goa to protect our environment, especially when scientists have said that by 2050 several cities of Goa will be underwater. He has also appealed to the Forest Minister to amend the Forest Act 1984 so that environment is protected.
आयज गोवा रेव्होल्युशन डेचे सगळे गोंयकारांक मनोनीत परबी आनी आयच्या रेव्होल्युशन डे दिसा आमी थ्रू जवाहरलाल बाल मंच आमी तरणाट्यांक झाडां दिलेली आसा आनी आमी पळयलेलें आसा की वर्साची वर्सा ऑन वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे आमी झाडां दिता. But is it enough to protect our environment, especially during this global warming? And आमी पळयलेलें आसा की सगळे सायंटिस्टांनी आमी सांगलेलें आसा की by 2030 or by 2050 several coastal cities of Goa is likely to go underwater. So आमी आयचे दिसा म्हाका दिसता एक रेव्होल्युशन स्टार्ट जावपाचें especially within the government and take environment into as a most important subject, because we know today as environment ना जाल्यार आमचो पर्यावरण ना जाल्यार आमचे हेल्थ आमचो देश वास काबार जातलो. आनी आमी I appeal to the forest minister to grow more plants and not only that to make the forest act more stronger, because we have seen when we cut a tree it is mandated to grow 3 trees, but we have seen that the implementation is never done. आमी पळयलेलें आसा की रेल्वे जेन्ना झाड कातोता दे सेड दे वी विल ग्रो ट्री इन यूपी. सो आयज आमी हिंगा झाड कातोता आनी प्लांटेशन आमी यूपी करता. सो आय थिंक दिस इज समवेअर नॉट रायट. एंड जे एक अमेंडमेंट्स हाडपा जाय आमचे गोंयचे पर्यावरण राखपाक थिंगा हांव फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टराक उलो मारता की आमी अमेंडमेंट हाडचें आनी आमचे पर्यावरण आमचे ग्रीन कवर वाडोवपाचें काम ह्या सरकारान करचें म्हणून हांव सरकाराक विनंती करता.